that. I don't know what I'm doing. I need a manual.
11 minutes later.
Of course they don't have a page. I'm gonna need to get someone on the phone.
Wooded Lake RV, Roy Strickland at your service. How can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I need an electrical schematic of my 2022 Beach Breeze.
All right. I'm not sure we have exactly that, but let me send you something that may help.
This isn't a wiring diagram. It's a cat playing the piano.
I know, but that little guy makes your troubles disappear now, doesn't he?
No, he does not.
Well, all right. Well, let me try something else. I got what you need. How about this one?
This is the same cat, but he's playing a different song.
Yep, sure is. But this song gets you going. Woo!
Never mind. I should have bought a Thor Motor Coach.
Our owner's resource page sets the standard when it comes to knowing every detail about your RV. Literally every diagram, schematic, and manual you could ever want is right here at your fingertips. The other websites have you scrolling through motorhome after motorhome, and if you're lucky, you'll find something relevant to your RV. Not here.
After you pull up thormotorcoach.com, you complete a quick sign up using your VIN, and just like that, all the information about your RV is there. Yes, your RV specifically. Seriously, everything you could ever need about your exact coach is right in front of you. You have manuals, quick start guides, videos, schematics, the component serial card, troubleshooting guides. You can get down to the exact measurements for your coach. It's even mobile friendly, so you can get all your info on the go or even when you're under the hood.
So instead of dealing with that guy, get signed up. It is really easy to do. You can access everything going all the way back to 2010. 2010. Did you know that was the year we saw the very first iPad? Instagram was founded, and Keyboard Cat came out with an album.
Now's the time to sign up. We'll even give you a link walking you through the process. We make it so easy because we want you to spend more time here and less time here.